Hello, so this is the first devlog video that I'm making for my new project, Project Mortal, or it's called Project Mortal. I don't have an actual game or name for the game yet. It's just called Project Mortal, and this is just going to be a brief overview of it because I don't have that much to show of the game yet. So, like, what is Project Mortal? Well, this game project, it is going to be a fighting game similar to that of Critical Strike, which is a class-based fighting game where you choose various different classes and everyone just like dukes it out in a little arena. How this game is going to be different though is it's going to have a little like a more focus on just like original characters. So instead of classes, it's going to be like actual full-on characters that you play as instead of classes. It's gonna have some more movement mechanics. It's gonna have there's gonna be a dash mechanic, and while I'm listing these, or before I continue listing these, everything I have written down, it's not final, so some things may not actually make it into the game. So there also may be double jumps. And this dash system, it works a lot like Ultra Kill's dash system, where you have like 3 stamina and you can dash around and whatever. There may or may not be a block mechanic, where you can block attacks to reduce damage or ignore all damage completely. Now, the biggest feature that is coming to this project, or will be in this project, is what I like to call the rival lock status effect. And basically what that does, it basically prevents like other people from interrupting you in an opponent's fight. So like when someone like deals damage to like another player, both of those literally have to fight until someone dies, and then they can go fight someone else. Like, they cannot deal any damage to anyone else, and nobody can deal damage to them. So that just like, because I think I've heard before that there's like a third-party problem, and that's just something I don't like in Critical Strike myself, is how you can just get third-partied and whatnot. It's just super annoying. And so there's gonna be a little big focus on 1v1s. Probably not gonna do a team-based game mode. Who knows? Maybe not. So, oh, and one thing I almost forgot. So once like someone like gets a high enough kill streak, then it'll enter what's known as like a juggernaut mode. And basically, like, you know, someone gets like 8 kills, then they get a lot of buffs, like health buffs, defense buffs, damage buffs, and then now they have to fight the entire server is pitted against this one guy that's getting a high enough kill streak. So I thought that was a pretty like cool idea that it might be cool to add. So on screen are all the characters that I have planned right now. They're all original characters, not really much to say about them right now, except for Jane Doe, although the design of Jane Doe is not finished. I'm gonna make her like some sort of like gunslinger or whatever. She's gonna be like a range-based character. So yeah, those are the characters. Not really much I want to say about them right now. As for scripting progress, I've already like made a character loader as well as the dash system. So on screen you can see right now the dash system in action. And yeah, that's all I have about for this devlog. I'll post another one when I get significant progress again. If you want to see more about this, you can join my Discord server in the description below. I'll probably be posting a lot more teasers there. So yeah, I don't have anything else to say, so goodbye.